Hello friend, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you will get a notification on your phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chemical cleaning is going on in Amine section. Before starting any kind of chemical cleaning, first of all, you have to select the route along with equipment and spool. When you have selected the equipment along with spool, then there should be no any kind of leakage observed, mechanical point of view. And moreover, you have to keep in mind instrument as well. If there is any kind of equipment that is okay and there is no any kind of filter we have taken it out, and the instrument are free, means we have taken the instrument or that instrument which will never damage during chemical cleaning. If everything is okay, then we will start the chemical cleaning. So today we have selected contactor, you can say that absorber. This is absorber. We have selected the route from Amine, that is the Amine line. We are going to inject water, flushing water from Amine section at the top of absorber and taken out from the bottom drain line. Basically, that is the this is chemical cleaning setup. This is a pump, three-phase separator having capacity 200 liter per minute. This is three-phase separator. First of all, we will take water for flushing purpose. First time we will take around about 5,000 liter water. When we have taken the 5,000 liter water, then we will start that pump. Pump will start and start circulation. Circulation, it will take around about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will see if water is clean, there's no any kind of impurities are present, then okay, it means flushing is completed, and then we will drain it. If there's lot of impurities are yet still there, so after 30 to 35 minutes we will drain that water, and then again flushing will start and repeat the same procedure unless we cannot get the pure and clean water. If clean water has achieved, then we have, after flushing, we have second steps, that is called acid cleaning. First of all, if flushing has been completed, then again we will take water in this box. You see there is a heater. There is heater present. We will take water around about 5,000 and then we will start the heater. When temperature will attain around about 70 to 75 degrees centigrade, when 70 to 75 degrees centigrade temperature will attain, then at that time when temperature will attain, then we will add acid. That acid is sulfonic acid. We will add sulfonic acid and then start the chemical cleaning. During chemical cleaning, when pump is going to run and complete the circulation, we will after every 5 minutes we will check the pH. When pH become 1, even we have not achieved the 1, then slowly we will add sulfonic acid. When pH become constant around about 1, then we will stop the addition of sulfonic acids and start circulation for 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. When there's no any kind of change and pH is still 1, then that time we will drain that acid water. All drain, and there's drain pit is there here. We will drain it, and then after that, now chemical cleaning of acid cleaning has been completed. Now we will add neutralizer, because we want to neutralize it. Before that we have cleaned it with acid, and then now we will neutralize. So during neutralization we will take water in this compartment, and then without heating, during neutralization no need to heat it, and then we will add base, mean neutralizer. Neutralizer is soda ash. We will add soda ash and then start the circulation. And same, we will repeat the same procedure, means we will check the pH. When pH become, if there is variation in pH, we will add neutralizer slowly and continuously. After every 10 minutes we will check the pH. If pH become constant on about 11 to 12, then it means that neutralization has been completed, and we will drain that neutralizer. Now neutralizer has been drained. Now it becomes all the root which we have selected has been cleaned. Now flush with plenty of water. We will take another water. After draining the neutralizer, we will take another water for flushing. Around about 5,000 liters. We will take that water for flushing. We will flush it normally, and then after that, after flushing, we will circulate passivation. Then again we will take the water and put the passivator. That is nitrile based Korean inhibitor. That passivator basically protect from Korean, and as well as enhance the metallurgy, protection of the metallurgy of that root. Passivation, it will remain as such for 24 hours. After 24 hour passivation, we will drain it and box up all the roots. This is basically chemical cleaning.